Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in today's video we are going to be playing with the MAKARTT's new chrome sticks, or they call it galaxy sticks. I got this off of their actual website. And I used my code to get it because, you know, which is Swales Nails. So if you want 15% off, you can do that, the same as me, because, you know, why wouldn't you want to save money? Just gonna give myself a plug in there, and I also have an affiliate link that is down below in the description box. If you want to use it, you do not have to, but it does help me out and I get a little commission when you do use my code and my affiliate link. So going on to the chromes now. So you do get 6 chrome pens all in total, and they literally, this is what they come like. There's not much really to say. I love the packaging. Firstly, I love the hollow on the the box, and then on the actual pens themselves. They're screw tops, but the lid bounces because the actual chrome is inside the lid. So as you can see, where you dip it and then you just carry on, it just springs. It's really, really handy and really cool. And I think this is in a brilliant little like gadget. I know all brands have been doing it, but yeah, I was really happy with this. I think it's really cool. So it does come with some instructions and stuff like that on the back of the box and also inside. So I did paint some swatches off of camera, a black background and a white background. I used the Model 1's black and white gel polish because it was the ones I had on hand. And then of course I top coated and cured for 60 seconds because that's how chrome powders work. And then you literally just rub it on. They are so easy. If you're like me, where you knock things, I think this is the whole point of it. But if you're like me, where you knock things over, excuse me, I think I sort of burped then. I apologise. That's gross. Yeah, if you're like me and you knock things over, these are actually brilliant. I love chrome powders, but I never use them because I absolutely hate like the mess it makes, like dipping your applicator, your little eyeshadow applicator into the little chrome pot, and it goes everywhere. It just drives me insane. So as you can see, when it obviously runs out, you just literally you pop your pen back into the lid, bounce it a couple of times, and then the chrome powder is back on the spongy applicator at the end, and you just keep on going. So there are 6 colours. I think the first one, I can't remember what the first one was. This one is Milky Way. It's all shown in the video, so if I miss one, then you'll know what one anyway. This one is Cosmo. So the first 2, I was like, they look very similar, but they actually aren't. There's like a green undertone and pink, and then there's a blue undertone and like an orangey colour. But I think they're stunning colours. They are not perfectly swatched because I decided to do it on a swatch wheel because I'm an idiot. So yeah, you also get a gold, a silver holographic, and then you get a gold holographic. Now, the gold one didn't work for me. I don't know what was going on. It's probably me because I don't use chrome that often, but when I was rubbing it down, it just kept like rubbing back off. It was really, really strange. And then this is what they look like after they're top coated. So yeah, I was really happy with them. I think this is a really cool little idea, and it's so much easier to use. Like I was done within a couple of minutes, not seconds. I was done within a couple of minutes. Oh my gosh. Blah, 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 blah. Right. Try again. I was done within a couple of minutes, which is absolutely fab because usually chrome is just a pain with the applicator, like the little eyeshadow applicator in the pot. So yeah. So then, of course, once I was done with that, I then used the Apres method, Gel-X, Curious, whatever you want to call it, the jelly tip method. You know, you like put the tip on with base coat or builder gel and cure it onto your nail. I done that. I didn't prep my nails, but I will leave a video in the cards of me doing so you know. I'll leave a couple of my tutorials in the cards because I do have a couple of them on different ways on how I do apply my nails and stuff like that. So once I was done curing them on, I then went in with my nail file and I just filed the shine away because, of course, as you know, gel does not like to stick to shiny surfaces. So once I was done with that, then of course I was also filed away the tip where it comes out of the mold, that little like ragged edge. And then I applied some base coat and I cured for 60 seconds in my nail lamp. I just used MAKARTT, mostly MAKARTT products. Well, no, not really, because I used Model ones to do the swatching, because it was the first black and white gel polish I could grab my hands, like just grab from my shelf. And I used the Gershon Clear Polygel because I've done videos on Gershon, but I've never actually tried out their clear polygel. So yeah, I thought I'll give the clear polygel a go. So we are going to talk about that in a minute, but first, I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing right now. So once I had cured the base coat, I actually forgot and I had to go in with a second layer of base coat because I wanted to add glitter to two nails. So this glitter here, I actually got from like Home Bargains. It's kind of like Dollar Tree or Family General, whatever it is. I can't remember what they're actually called. You know, your cheap shops in like America. Well, this is Home Bargains and B&M, kind of what we've got in the UK. And it come with like, it was actually like body glitter, but I really like, I come in like 3 little pots and a little like tub of a tube of like gel to put on your skin, but obviously I'm not going to use that for that reason. So I did use that glitter, but I'm sure it's really easy to find this sort of glitter online. So I just pressed into the wet base coat that glitter, and then I pressed some pink stars in as well. I got this, it was either in a set, it was either on AliExpress or Amazon, these like little stars. I bought them like in like a big set of like 4 or 5 tubs. So once I'd finished pressing all that glitter in, I then cured in my nail lamp for a full 60 seconds, and then I went in with the polygel. So as you can see, I squeezed out that tube and look, it just stayed straight. It was really bizarre to me, and I thought, okay, is this going to be firm and not sticky at all? And when I was working it, I don't know what was happening. It might have been the glitter actually, now that I'm literally looking and thinking about it. It might have been the glitter. So you might want to put another layer of base coat over the top, because this just felt like jello. Like, you know, like when you're making jelly and it's not quite hard yet, and some of it's like, it breaks away when you make like jelly in like a bowl. It felt like that. It was really strange. I see, you can see it's quite stringy. It wasn't sticky, and I did work with it fine, and it stayed and it cured and all that stuff, and it filed fine. But I was having a problem with this Gershon Clear Polygel. It was really strange. And then this one, then it went that bad, but it was still like, what the hell is going on? But I did make it work. It might just be the glitter, like I said. I think it might actually be that reason. But I've never used the Gershon Clear, and I've never had a problem with Gershon Polygel. I actually think it's one of my favourites. MAKARTT, Gershon, and Yoyogi are like some of my favourite like firmer polygels, and then like Model ones and Savvyland are like my other 2 favourites for like colours and kits. So yeah, it was a bit bizarre, but it is very clear. I will give it that. It's very, very clear, and I was very happy with how clear it is. Look at that. That's amazing. That's pretty close to MAKARTT. I have to do a part 2 of what's the clearest polygel. Seriously. So anyway, moving on to the other 2 fingers. Well, the last 3 remaining fingers. Well, no, it's 2 fingers and a thumb, because your thumb's not really a finger, is it? I guess. You know what I mean. I went in on the last 3 nails with Mauve, I think it's pronounced Mauve, such a strange name, from the MAKARTT Jelly Polygel Kit. I done a review on this a while back, and I will link that in the cards. But I didn't want to use clear polygel on all of them. I wanted like a pinkish background, because we're going to use that chrome on the last 3 nails. And yeah, I thought, why not have like a jelly pink background? It might actually help, like because obviously chrome sort of shifts depending on the background of your like nail color, like the actual color behind it. It all depends on that. So I did do my thumb as well, but I done that off of camera. And yeah, I done 2 nails of this. Sorry, 3. I'm losing my mind today. I'd done 3 nails of this, and then I'd done the 2 glitter nails as you've just seen. So once I was done with this, I made sure that it was all cured fully for 60 seconds. I of course flash cured in between each finger for like 10 to 30 seconds, depending on like whether it cured. They all cured fine though, so yeah, I had no problems with curing, but a full 60 seconds to make sure this all cured. Of course, using slip solution as well. In case anyone's new here, hi by the way. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm great, I promise. I'm not usually this babbly. No, that's a lie. I'm always babbly. But once I'd finished, I then wiped away the sticky tacky layer and I filed on camera. These nails did not turn out absolutely perfect. My shaping, as you guys know, my shaping still needs work. I really need to get used to my electric file. I'm still sort of like scared of it. I need to get some safety bits and well, I need to get a better e-file, I'll be honest. But I think once I'm used to the e-file, it'd be so much easier to file with. So yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna let you guys watch this bit here. I'm gonna put some music on and I'm going to do some feature comments, and I'll be back when we start decorating. So I'll be back in a bit. Enjoy, guys. And I'm back, guys. Hi. So now I just wiped away all the sticky tacky layer. I'd filed, and then I went in with some rubbing alcohol again to wipe away all the dust and dead skin and all the crap that come off the nails and stuff. There shouldn't be really dead skin because you don't file your skin. I don't know what I'm talking about. Ignore me. just clean up all the dust. So now I go in with top coat and I cure for 60 seconds again, but I only do it on the mauve nails. Sorry, I don't know why I'm laughing. And I cure for 60 seconds, and now we're gonna go in with do you know what? I'm not gonna try and pronounce that because I am dyslexic and it will probably come out in something completely different. But yeah, I just grabbed this one because it was pink and it had like a yellow and green shift, and I thought it was very, very pretty. So I just keep on dipping it into the lid when I need to and just rubbing it on the nail. Really, really easy to use, and it's a lifesaver. Less mess, like nothing spilt. It was perfect. I gotta be honest. These pens are such a great invention. Whoever actually come up with it first is an actual genius. So once I'd finished putting on all of that chrome powder, I then went in with some top coat again and I top coated all the nails. As you can see, the chrome shows every little dent and detail. Ignore that thumb, by the way, as well. What happened was I cured it on the thumbnail onto my nail, but obviously I'm wearing peel off base coat. And I actually cured it on really weird, so I peeled it off and then went back in with it. So yeah, so now I'm going to use my MAKARTT gem glue, and all of a sudden this random hole popped up in the side of it. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. It's got a gaping hole. I haven't cut it. It's just broke on its own. I was not happy. But I was like, okay, don't worry, we can bear with it. So it's going to be a pain now, but it's still usable, it's still workable, so it's fine. So I used one of my tools and I just dotted some of that gel in places over the nail, and I pressed these little moons and stars into the nails onto like the wet gel. This gel cures like a non-wipe top coat. There's no sticky layer. It's absolutely fab. You can still go over it with top coat if you want to, but like I did, but you don't need to. Like I didn't on my other nails, only these 2 nails, the glitter ones that we're doing now. So yeah. I did get this this design. I was scrolling through Instagram and I screenshotted the actual picture. I will put it on the screen right now. But I screenshotted it at an awkward angle where it didn't show the actual creator's name and tag. So if anyone knows who the actual creator was, I'll try and find it. If I can't, then I can't. But if anyone knows who actually done this design, please leave a comment down below so I can give them credit, because I thought it was an absolutely stunning design. My nails are nowhere near as good as theirs, but I absolutely love it, and I think it was a fab little cute design. I just loved it. So basically now what I'm doing is I'm just pressing in some charms and some rhinestones and some embellishments that I've got like from various like little like places, Amazon or AliExpress, one of the two. And then I went in with some top coat and top coated the other two nails and just a little bit on the top of the chrome ones, just to make sure that everything is sealed, because obviously gems are a pain and they sometimes get stuck in your hair and it's not great, but that's what that gem glue is great for, because yeah. So then once I had done that, I cured again for 60 seconds. There's a lot of in and out, and then I applied some what's that stuff called? Cuticle oil. Ta-da! So this is the end result, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You don't have to, but it really helps me out, and I absolutely love it when you guys come and watch my videos, and all the support is absolutely fantastic. I hope you're all smiling. I hope you're all still staying safe, and I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. As for these chromes, I'd highly recommend them, of course. But other than that, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.